So let us look at the second equation. What I did was to change the 4 to a fraction. You don't have to. I just did it. Because that is what I would do. Work with fractions throughout, or you can leave it. You look at the denominators and come up with what is called your LCM. Or your lowest common multiple. And I had said in the previous video that even if you cannot see the LCM, maybe you decide that your LCM will be 12 and not 6. That's fine. When you get to the answer, once you simplify correctly, we should still get the same exact thing. Alright? So let's go. We have 2 and 3, so we will get 6, right?
6.
I multiply each part by 6. And I'm going to reduce the next one and show you how we don't have to do all of this. The next thing we can do is simplify, or we can multiply the top by the LCM. Good? What I did in the previous one was to multiply the top. 6 2s are 12. 6 1s is 6. And 6 4s are 24. 3 goes into 12 exactly 4 times. 2 goes into 6 exactly 3 times. And then we connect like terms on the same side. A negative 3 going across, we're going to plus the 3. So 4x will be equal to, and when we divide by 4, 4 goes into 27, 6 times, remainder 3. I'm going to show you this one a little different. I will not erase, I will leave them for you.
So, over the camera.
What?
Over the camera, wait. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing.
Or be quiet. Alright, good. So I'm going again. I have 7 and I have 2. My LCM will be 14. So look at one of the things we can do. I don't want to confuse you, but this is just another way. 7 goes into 14 something times. What is the something? 2 times, right? And 2 times 5.
2.
Right? 2 goes into 14 7 times. And 7 times x. And so 1 goes into 14 14 times. So now instead of doing all those other things, we just work out those numerators. So we have 5x times 2 will give us 10x. X times 7 will give us 7x. And 2 times 14 will give us 28. So we have 7 plus 10. 17x is equal to 28. Our unknown is x, so we must get rid of the coefficient, which is 17. So if we divide one side by 17, we must divide the other side by 17. Therefore, x is equal to 17 goes into 28 one time with a remainder of
11 over 17.
I'm going to do the next one exactly the way I did this one. So you could see if you could get a gist of the method, right? Good. So we have 4 and 2. So we can use a LCM of 8, or we could use 4. To be correct with our lowest common, we say 4. Alright? 4 goes into 4 once. 2 goes into 4 twice. And 1 goes into 4 4 times. So 3x by 1, x by 2, 5 by 4. So x is equal to, wow, and we finished. We finished with that one. There is nowhere else to go. And that completes the solution to 1, 2, 3, 4 questions.